Want to speak real Chinese from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at ChineseClass101.com.
Welcome to Fun and Easy Chinese by ChineseClass101.com. Hi, 大家好，我是李英如。Hi everyone, 英如李 here. Are you good with numbers? We deal with numbers every day in our life. It is crucial for a language learner to be able to say numbers with precision right from the beginning. In this lesson, you will learn about Chinese numbers and how the Chinese number system works. Now let's start with single-digit numbers. Here we go. 0, 零 1, 一 2, 二 3, 三 and 4, 四 5, 五 and 6, 六 7, 七 8, 八 and 9, 九 Now let's move on to 10 and its multiples. 10 in Chinese is 十 and 20, which is 2 tens, so it is 二十 2 tens or 20. How about 30? 30 is 3 tens, so 三十 40 40 50 5 tens 50 60 6 tens 60 70 70 80 80 90 90 90 So at this point, we are ready to make any two-digit number that we want. For example, 11. 11 is a 10 and a 1, so it is 十一 11. How about 23? 23 is 20 and 3, so 23 45 is 4 45 45 and 99 is 90 plus 9, so it's 99. Now to make any number that's bigger than 100, we need a few more words. And the first word we need is 百, meaning 100. 百, we can say 100, 100. And how about 137? What number is this? We know 100 is 100. 100. And 30, 7. 137. 137. So how do you say 420? 400 is 400 and 20 is 20. So 420 is 420. 420. How about 614? 6 100 百 and 14. Here we use 14. So together 614 is 614. Well, notice that in a three-digit number or bigger, we need to say 14 instead of 14. 14 is only used when it's by itself, like 11. We don't say 11. We say 11 or 14 by itself. We don't say 14. But when combined in a three-digit number or higher, we need to say 614, not 614. Same way with this number, it is 900 918 not 918 but 918 918 Okay, ready to go higher? Let's do 1,000. 1,000 in Chinese is 千 千 as in 3,000 3,000 3,000 And what is 6,700? 6,000 is 6,000 and 700 is 700. So 6,700. Now how about this big number here? 6,519. Let's break it down. 8,000, sorry, I should have said 8,000. Let me try it one more time. This number, start from this number. But now let's look at this big long number here. Well, let's break it down. 8,519. 8,000. 8,000. Let me write it. 8,000. 500. 500. 500 and 19. In a big number, it is 19. 8,519. 8,519. 8,519. Well, here are a couple big numbers that's special in the Chinese. This number is 1, which is 10,000. It's called 1. 10,000. And this number, E. E is 100 million. E. Now let's review with a quiz. How do you say 5 in Chinese? 5. 5. How do you say 15 in Chinese? 15. 15. And how do you say 515 in Chinese? 515. 515. Now, how do you say 50,000 in Chinese? 5万. 5万. Great job. Want to learn Chinese fast? Get cheat sheets for all kinds of topics. Travel, hobbies, love, and much more. And you will learn all of the must-know words and phrases for each. So click the link in the lesson description and sign up for a free lifetime account to get them. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye. 再见.
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.